Thanks to the brand for sending this drum along to me as a gift so that I could make this video review for you. This is called a Get Well drum because it has a nice soothing sound that would definitely comfort a child as they're getting well after a sickness or during an illness. They could play it for entertainment, but it's not going to be loud and make them uncomfortable. It's soothing and soft and would be a nice thing for them to play with while they're resting. It can also be used for lots of different things. As a music teacher, I'm going to enjoy using this in my music studio. I'll also enjoy letting my grandchildren make music with this. Let me show you what all comes with this drum. There's a nice little package here with 2 mallets that have the rubber head, so it's a nice soft sound. And there is a little booklet that comes with it. Each pitch on the drum is numbered, and the book has play-by-number songs. There's a story that goes through, and every now and then there's a little song to play that goes with the story. So that would be fun for kids to experiment with or for you to guide them through. But let's see the drum. It comes in this nice little bag, zipper bag with a handle. It's an adjustable handle. The zipper opens right up, and there is the drum inside. As I mentioned, there are 8 pitches. It is a C scale beginning on tone 1. If you're wanting a very pure tone, you may not care for this. It doesn't bother me that it's not super pure. I do hear some overtones, but I still think it will be a great tool to use with my music students and for my grandchildren to experiment with.